Hello everybody, my name is Claudia and welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to create an awesome video using AI. We're going to be using Promptus AI video generation and image generation platform. It's the newest application out there. They've integrated directly with Comfy. And all right guys, with nothing more to do, let's get started. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a video on Promptus. I'm using the ComfyUI interface within the Promptus generate application, and I'm using Drift's image to video workflow. So really simply, what I've done is I close the queue so you guys can see my workflow a little bit easier. So this is the playground of the Promptus interface, and where you can also generate videos and images. But I'm using the Promptus, the ComfyUI section. So first step, you want to make sure that your GPU server is on. Then you want to go to the ComfyUI tab and click the Run ComfyUI. Right. So I already have the workflow in here, but I'm going to show you guys how to load the workflow, and the workflows will be linked in the description below. It's super easy. You just get the workflow, the JSON file, and drag and drop into Promptus. So couldn't be any easier. Yep. So as you can see, I just dragged and dropped the file. I'll show you guys even easier. Click here. That's the workflow that drifted. Really simple, cool workflow. And then I click the choose a file. And the video that I'm going to be doing today is a video of the Jaguar car, because I saw the news about them launching their new car, and I thought it'd be so cool to actually see it moving. So the prompt here is for the sea waves with the explosion. We're going to just keep most of it, but we're going to change it to a scene of a vehicle driving off-road on a mountain. And we'll do like we'll do a close-up shot. And then what I changed here was the dimensions, because I want to get a big width and height. The bigger the dimension, it does slow down the process, but the quality is a little bit better. And then the default steps is 30, but I'm going to increase that just so that it has a little bit more uniqueness. I'm going to keep it under random. I've tried it with fixed and I've tried it with incremental. But when you're starting off, I would suggest staying with random, because then it will create different versions or different styles of the video. And that's a little bit better. So here you can see it says got prompt, because I set up the queue to 4. It's loaded the model. I'll put that away for now. So I've put the queue to 4 videos. And well, while that's loading and that's generating, you can already see in the queue the 4 videos. I'll show you what I have already done. So this is awesome. It's a video of the Jaguar, and then the AI just converts it into an SUV. What do you guys think? This one's a little bit slower. I think this is actually one of the best videos. It's trying to mimic going up and above rocks. So it's that one was a little bit longer of a video. It was faster than 20 or more than 25 frames. This is cool. It looks like it's sliding. And then this one's a little bit more action. The car is driving off the scene. And then this is the previous prompt, where I actually had the prompt saying that I wanted the car crashing into other vehicles. And so it really went out and changed the scene there. You can see the dimensions a little bit smaller. This one, similar, it was set of 4. This one looks like it's a transformer. It's just changing into different things. And this one's it looks like a scene from a movie, a lot landscape, but you don't really see a lot of the car. I like this one a lot, actually. I feel like it could be a scene in Mad Max, with the sand swirling all the way in the background, the cars running around. This is my favorite, though. This is absolutely my favorite. It's a scene of a car chase. Cars just coming from the back. I mean, I can imagine in a few months this become even more advanced. Oh, this is the monster cars. Monster cars are pretty cool. Let's see what. So these are like slow. Let's see what we're doing here. So you guys can tell that I set it to 38 steps, and it's in step 9 of 38, and it's taking about 9 seconds per step. So if I would have done 20 steps, it would have 20 times 10, it would have been 200 seconds. So 2 minutes for a video, but I've done 38 steps. So it just really depends on the settings that you want. So running, that means that one's already completed. So that will probably show up here in the next second or so. Yeah, there it is. Let's see, what does that look like? Nice. So that's a real close-up. And then what else do we have? A really slow car. It's cool. Don't know what's going on with the tires, but I like how the camera shot's changing. And then the last one, very cinematic. That's so cool. So it goes up. All right, so that's all the videos that we've done so far. We'll finish off with this last video. I think this is one of my favorite ones. It's the smoothest of all the videos. That's it for today, but if you guys like this video, would like to see more video generations, please click the subscribe button and make sure to click the links below where I've put in the workflow. I've also put in the link for early access to Promptus if you guys want to start generating videos yourselves. And then if you would also please share what other kinds of videos you'd like to see, if there's any settings or functionality that you'd like me to go through a little bit more. I'm going to be posting videos every day with a different image and a different, we'll do video to video and we'll do text to video as well. And we'll be testing other models in addition to this is the LXTV model. Thank you.